Hi friends, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you simplest step-by-step procedure of tomato rasam. To that we need 4 tomatoes, 1 tablespoon size tamarind, tadka, little bit coriander, 1/4 cup of chopped onions, curry leaf, salt and mirchi powder as per taste, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. Step 1. Chop tomatoes and rinse tamarind and keep them aside. Step 2. Add some water. Step 3. Mash tomato pieces. Step 4. Add salt, turmeric, mirchi powder, curry leaves, coriander and onions. Step 5. Keep it on medium flame and boil it for 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 minutes, this is almost done. Boil it for 5 more minutes. Turn off the stove and let it cool down. Step 6. Filter all tomato pieces using a strainer. Step 7. After filtering everything, with the help of a spatula or a big serving spoon, mash all of them in the strainer and filter it properly. After filtering everything, this is almost ready. Now just keep it on a low flame for few minutes. In the meanwhile, take a small pan, pour some oil and add tadka along with few dried mirchi and curry leaves. Once it's done, add it to rasam and turn off the stove. There you go, yummy tomato rasam is ready. It tastes great with hot rice. If you find it useful, please don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.